How to ask questions on Tinder. If any day you would like to ask questions on your Tinder account to any of the person but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the very Tinder application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you can go to the search section of your mobile device. After going to the search section of your mobile device, you have to search Tinder out there. After you search Tinder out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Tinder application. After you tap on the very Tinder application, Tinder will be launched on your very mobile device. Sometimes the launching of the Tinder application may be a little late due to your internet connection. Therefore, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. After you launch the very Tinder application on your mobile device and the Tinder application is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to the message icon on your Tinder. After you tap on the very message icon on your Tinder, now in order to ask any of the question, you have to tap on the very person who is a match to you, and after you tap on the very person, you can find the person there. Now you can tap any of the message out there and ask any of the question. For example, how are you, or any of the person, any questions that you want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.